this is sailing SV Trim again. As you guys can see, we're working hard on our boat's refit.
No excuses. Gotta paint the shit.
But this video is not about refit, this video is about our sailing adventures. Today we're gonna present some of our favorite clips from the Mediterranean.
I arrived to Trim in March and I spent a couple of months working on the boat, preparing everything by myself before my good friends Campbell and Grace came to join the voyage and start our westward journey through the Mediterranean. We spent an awesome few months exploring new countries and eating amazing food. Grace eventually hopped off the boat in Tunisia. Campbell continued on with me through to Majorca. We had an amazing sail under Spinnaker to Majorca. Trim was never without his problems. There were plenty of technical issues to always be trying to fix, but we had an awesome time in the Mediterranean anyway, and we had amazing sailing and basically just ate shitloads of good food. The most memorable thing about the Mediterranean was spending time with good friends. Another good friend of mine, Nick, joined the voyage in Spain, and we had a couple of weeks that were awesome on the boat together. After a couple of weeks of preparation in Gibraltar, I was off to the Atlantic where I met Agatha. And yeah, the rest is in videos to come.
Yes.
What do you reckon about our first anchorage in Turkey, Grace?
Really fucking awesome. So good.
Just bought some fresh bread and some beers while we're at anchor. Teşekkür ederim. Heading for the Corinth Canal, June 2017. Approaching Palmer. Picked up this little bluefin. Hammering downwind. Doesn't get much better. It's some rough weather. Totally unexpected. Absolutely turned the boat into a shambles. Water everywhere, shit everywhere. What do you reckon, Nick?
I don't even know what to say.
Speechless.
Literally speechless.
That's Almeria in the background, and we've just checked out of Spain. That's pretty much a wrap for Europe. We're off to Gibraltar, and then we'll be heading into the Atlantic to finish the rest of the voyage, which is still another year and a half to go. After 6 wonderful months in the Mediterranean, by myself for the first time, and just feeling happy about everything. It's good to be having a little bit of solo time before the crew joins, and yeah, just get into the groove again. I'll update you in Gibraltar.